Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, action blocked. This action was blocked. Please try again later. We restrict certain content and actions to protect our community. Tell us if you think we made a mistake. So how you can fix this error? So first thing you need to know is that actually you just make a lot of the same actions at one time, so you just need to wait some time, sometimes for 1 hour, sometimes for 1 day, and sometimes for 1 week. So it depends on many factors, so you just need to wait some time. And also you can try to log in into your Instagram account from another device, or you can try another way. So just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to change your network. So if you're using cellular data, just turn off cellular data and use Wi-Fi. Just turn on Wi-Fi, and if you're using Wi-Fi, just turn off Wi-Fi and turn on mobile data. So just simple change your network. And if you still have the server, so just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.